Oh, there. It's recording. Alright.
Go, it's recording. Go!
This is what Shambhala kids do when we get angry. We practice keeping sword tips together.
This is what happens.
Oh, I'm gonna make you...
Karen's tensions finally broil over.
Oh, and there's a referee. Mr.
McClellan Sensei.
McClellan Sensei,
This is training when we get really angry and our honor is ruined.
Yeah,
we go to death. We're samurai.
Rush at our opponent with our sword above our head.
Dependent.
And we're going to let out a war cry so that we can
to go up.
So here's what
We actually have to
all your
intend to kill with us. This is gonna be funny videotaping.
Go, Emily.
Yeah, I get to stream
This is Raven, whose camera it is. They're about to engage in a duel.
Ready? They're gonna do it.
She got scared by Emily's intensity and had to start again.
doesn't like swing and chop the person's sword out of it. All you're going to do is touch them and then keep going.
Go. 1, 2, 3.
And then we'll do it to the other person. And but do not swing your sword at them. Anybody who swings their sword at somebody or hits somebody with these things is going to be in big trouble. So the way that this works is it comes from your hara, this area again below the navel, and it's very powerful and fierce. It should be like it cuts through all other sounds. Okay, go ahead, David.
Okay, I've got two things to say. One, I don't yell. Two, my pants fall off.
No, really.
Okay, that's terrible. Over your head, like this. And then we can go.
Sword's
Okay,
almost as
we'll
long
do it
as
one more time. This time what I want you to do is run past and just, you'll both do it silently.